So if you're a big fan of a smoked out look when it comes to your lighting, but you're happy with the headlights that you currently have, these smoked headlight covers will be a great pick to check out for your 2018 and newer JL Wrangler. Now these will completely black out the headlights, adding a pretty aggressive look to the front end, and will match with any other smoked accessories that you may already have already on your JL. Now, even though these do look pretty dark, these still are going to allow a decent amount of light through, but I would keep in mind that they will take a little bit away from your lighting performance. However, if you're willing to compromise for a very stealthy look, or you're trying to tone down a super bright headlight like an LED, then these are going to do the trick. Now, not only will these add the look, but they're also going to do a great job at protecting your headlights from any kick-up or debris that they may come in contact with, made of a durable composite construction. Now these will also secure very well to the headlight with clips on the side of the cover, making sure that they stay in place and won't budge around even if they do take a hit, and you don't have to worry about any Velcro or any adhesive when it comes to attachment. Now, I do also like the fact that they sit very flush with the headlight and you can't tell that it's a cover from first glance. Now with all of that being said, these are going to come in at right around the $125 mark for the set, and it's pretty on par for a set of covers like this. Now, a lot of other headlight covers on the page will usually consist of a metal guard to protect from any larger impacts or add an off-road look or a painted appearance, considering that some come in different colors. Not to mention, others like this may not be as dark as this choice, giving this the one up if you're really looking for that blacked out look. Now, install, on the other hand, couldn't get any easier. I'm going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you no longer than 10 minutes to get the job done. Now, the only tool that you'll need is a rag, just to make sure that your headlights are clean and ready to go for the install. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their JL, and it's going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
All right, so this is what it looks like before the smoked out mirrors are put on. And we don't remove anything. We leave these totally as is, I believe. That's what we're gonna try. Just cleaning them really good. First clean them like that, then clean them with a bit of a nicer, this is a Chemical Bros cleaner, which does really good. Microfiber, get it all clean, and we're gonna try and snap them on and see if that works. All right, so we have this smoked mirror. That is a smoked mirror. It's not going anywhere. That is in there. Smoked headlights. Bingo. And the next one, that's what it is before. You can see that there's sort of like a little lip in here. There's a small lip in there, and then you have this small plastic piece here, or rubber, and that, I guess, is what's sealing it. And I've been putting them on the sides. You could probably do them on the top too, but I decided to go with the sides. Line it up and just push it in. See here, this one didn't go in quite so smooth, so I'm going to do this side first. Just make sure it's tight and in there.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the smoked headlight covers fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers For more videos and products just like this, remember to always keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.